Hello everyone and welcome to Z's Snack Sampling. Today we're going to be sampling a new Funyuns flavor. Yeah, hot and spicy chicken ramen flavored onion rings. Onion flavored rings. Yeah, Funyuns. Yeah. Ramen Funyuns. Yep. Ramen Funyuns. Yep. We'll find out if they're any good today. Alright, let's give them a try. See what they're like. They smell, I don't know, spicy. They smell spicy. It's not a very potent smell. It's just the smell. Okay, that's what they look like right there. So not too different from what's on the bag. Not really. It's a little darker in the bag, but anyway. Okay. Those are a little spicy, yeah. Not bad. I definitely get the chicken in there. Yeah. A little bit like of a noodly taste, a little bit. Not very strong. The chicken and the spicy spices take up most of it. So, not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah, those are actually pretty good. I give those I give these give them an 8 out of 10. Yeah, not bad. Could definitely see myself eating a whole bag of these. Probably will one of these days. Maybe tonight. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.